For today's video, I figured I'd show you 2 ways that you can fold your knitted sweaters. So I have my classic Norwegian wool sweater laid down here. First thing that we want to do is turn it around so that we have the back side facing up here. From here, we're going to split it into 4 parts from side to side here. And I'm folding in one side first, like that. And then I'm going to take the arm first and I'm folding it out and then down like this. And we're going to repeat that process on the other side as well, folding it in like this. And then we take the arm down and out again. So we get kind of a V shape here. Then we're going to split the sweater into 3 parts here. And we're folding it up from the bottom. 1/3 of the way. And then 1 more third of the way. Like that. Once you turn it around now, you have a beautifully folded sweater. Alternatively, you could also fold it in half if you prefer that. It gets kind of flatter, but a little bit longer. So that's up to you. Another alternative you can do if you would like to is that you can roll it up actually. So again, I'm going to turn it around here so that we have the back side facing up. I'm going to split the sweater into 3 parts this time from side to side. So I'm folding in one side first there, like that. And then I'm going to take the arm again and fold it down like that. And we repeat the process on the other side as well here. Arm over and down. So we get kind of a layer, 2 layers here with arms, I guess. So we're going to start rolling it now. You can also fold it if you want like this. That's totally fine. Then you get an even taller roll. But I guess if you want to place it standing up, you could do that like this. I don't think it's good because it's so bulky already. But if you like file folding, that's an option there. Anyway, let's start rolling it from the bottom all the way up to the top. And there we have beautifully rolled up sweater. This is pretty crease resistant. Now you don't want to hang this type of sweater because it's going to pile in the shoulders. It's going to stretch it out over time. Too much weight in these sweaters since they're woven together or knit, I guess. Definitely fold them or roll them up. I have this huge video on how to organize all these sweaters in a system. You can check it out here next. And yeah, I'll see you over there.